Hey, hello everyone, I've got a nice diorama here from the brand Moreart. Let's see, here we got a picture of it, 3 decks garage, American steel frame garage floor 3, barcode and article number, licensed by Moreart. Here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it, QR code. Okay, so we got this right here. And we got this. Then we got an instruction manual, very rare for Chinese model kits. And we got a couple of base plates. So I bought it in the Moreart AliExpress store, and I will leave a link in the description down below. Now let's start building this diorama. And it's best to read the instruction manual. Insert the fixing sleeves. Okay, so I think it's best if I open this. I don't have any knife or scissor. I need a knife. Back in a sec. Okay, back with my favorite knife, the Leatherman. Very well packed and protected. Okay, let's see. Yes, they're all the same. Also the same numbers. Okay, so you can choose any of these plates. Then I have to insert the railing, insert the fixing sleeves. Oh, okay. Fixing sleeves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I got 4 fixing sleeves, I guess. So this must be a fixing sleeve. I hope so, or else I'm doing something wrong now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Perfect fit. And there's also protection right here, or not. Yeah, it looks like it. I think it's best to take that off before I... Well, no, this is the base plate. Yeah, okay. Then we have to insert the railing and this thing right here. We're going to take this out. Railing should be very simple. Yes, that is very simple. Oh, I like this already. This is made out of plastic, and the base plate is made out of a little bit of foam, it looks like, but it's strong. There we go. Voila. Yep. And also right here. Then we need this one. Also perfect fit. Pay toll 1 mile, ensure safety in driving, blah blah blah, cash change, run speed. Okay, then we also have these other things. Okay, then we have to put that and then another base plate, but I also have these things right here. Oh, wait a minute. That's right here. Should be right here. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Everyone can do this. This is so simple. Yeah. Now we put the other one on it, like this. So you can see this is this should be on the base plate. So not like this. Also doesn't fit, so it's just one-way fit. Okay. Then we have the other plate, and I think it's best I want to say I think it's best to put on the railing first, but yeah, that's not necessary. Again, what did I pay for it? I paid around 30 euro. I think that's a very reasonable price for something like this. Nowadays, back in the days, you would pay like 20 euro or something, but those days are over. Nothing is cheap anymore. Okay, then we also have these. Broke one. Broke. Can fix it. We can fix it. We'll fix it with glue. No problem at all, but be careful. There we go. Maybe I have a spare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I have a spare. Well, let's take this one out. And let's place it right here. And then also perfect fit. Then the other one. Okay. I have to put the camera a little bit higher, so I'm going to do it like this. There we go. Two more. Yep. There's one right here. Top. One. Oh, there's another one broken. Check this one. This is not the only one. Therefore, they put in some extra. Up. And then last but not least, these on top. These are pretty loose, I have to say. So you can even choose to buy another one, and then you can make it even higher. Yeah, I would say you can use some glue because these are very loose. But if you want to take it apart, then you have a problem. Okay, very easy to build this diorama. Looks very nice. I'm going to pimp it with some green. Yeah, see you in a sec. I pimped it a little bit with some green. It always gets a little bit better with flowers and some green stuff there in the back. Some red. Can we see it? Well, I think it's best from. Yeah, let's do it like this. Ah, there you see it. That's better. And I also did this. Why not? Why not? And then we come to a very nice result. Very simple, very easy. Now let's make some photos with it.